Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I have got a finished tiny jet. It's time to learn how to launch it. So let's get cracking. Friends, the first thing I want to tell you is that we always launch in this direction. There will be a green ruler on the floor. You launch behind it, and we're trying to get nice, straight, and level flight. Friends, first things first, you got to have the assembled launcher. You could have made it in SketchUp or Tinkercad. You need the rubber band from me, and you need your completed aircraft that you've assembled and you're ready to test. To test, we simply drop it in. I recommend having it at a little bit of an angle. Hold the tail, so even though that's not dry, you're ready and you can launch it. Just like that. Now you get to adjust and try and get a perfect flight. It takes a lot of practice to find the right distance forward to move that wing and the right amount of clay, but that's what's so fun is you get to just test until you get it successful. Friends, after you launch, you need to go grab your aircraft. Make sure you're always walking this way so you do not take a plane in the back of the head. And then you can come back through the middle of the room and you can do your second launch. Friends, we do not know the perfect place where to put these. We just keep trying. We also do not know the perfect launch angles. These are things you just keep adjusting as you try and get your plane to the most epic level ever. Friends, I hope you had a ton of fun with this, and now you move on to modifying your jet to make an even cooler design. There are videos above that teach you how to make new wings, how to make a new fuselage, just how to make adjustments so that you can end up with your own custom tiny jet. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you've got a question or comment, add it down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.